Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you that how to do a smudge liner which you can carry out in your everyday look or in your college look. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. The moisturizer here I am using is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda. It is 100% pure and Ayurvedic. The next product I am using is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. The next product I will be using is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 125 Nude Bake. I am taking 2 pumps on the back of my hand. With the help of damp sponge, I will be blending it out. Now moving on to the concealer, here I am using is Lakme 925 liquid concealer in the shade 03. Next, the product here I am using is bronzer using a fluffy brush. Next, for blush, here I am using Huda Beauty liquid lipstick and applying it on my cheekbones and on the nose, and with the help of a damp sponge I will be blending it. For eyebrows, here I am using Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows. But before filling my eyebrows, here I am using the wax cream to set my brows with the help of this brush and wax cream. After that, mixing 2 shades brown and black, I am going to fill my brows. For doing a smudge liner, use kajal or you can use gel eyeliner also. draw a liner on your eyes. After that, use a pointed fluffy brush, take the shade brown and smudge in inward direction. Smudge until you get your desired look. Using the shade black and brown, blend it properly. Here is the look of smudge liner. Next, using Jacqueline Hill eyeshadow palette, I am using the highlighter for highlighting my cheekbones, my nose and my chin. And also highlighting my eyebrow bone and inner corner of the eye. For under eyes, using the brown shade, I am blending it. After curling my eyelashes, here I am using MN mascara. The lip color here I am using is liquid matte lipstick from Made Me in the shade Nude Pink. I have applied my false eyelashes. It's optional whether you want to apply it or not. It's totally depend on you. Fix your makeup with makeup fixer. Here I am using ADS makeup fixer, and then you are done.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Don't you cry, baby.
When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch
Thanks for watching.